Meantime, health officials in Linn County are concerned about the strong possibility of potentially joining Governor Brown's watch list.
As KZI 9 News reporter Emma Jerome shows us, they think it could have something to do with the startling case counts that they've seen over the last few weeks, sometimes topping 20 a day.
We've been living this nightmare year collectively, and people get sick and tired and just fatigued.
While most of their cases are coming from more metro areas, Todd Noble, an administrator with the Linn County Health Department, said it's a county-wide issue.
We're clearly into a second wave. And so, I think that's what we're seeing, and we're pretty much seeing it all over the place.
Adding that those in rural communities might feel a false sense of security.
I think that sometimes there's a sense of protection because you are a rural community and there's not a lot of people, or there hasn't been a lot of cases. And so I think it's a little easy to let your guard down.
Since January 1st, Linn County has had nearly 574 positive tests per 100,000. To put that into perspective, Linn County is measuring about 530 positive tests. Couple that with a less than ideal contact tracing rate, and officials fear that the watchful eye of Kate Brown's list might be soon a reality for them.
We are having difficulty with people who are reaching a point where they're not wanting to respond to us.
Linn County Commissioner Will Tucker says their contact tracers sometimes strike out 50 to 60% of the time. But he said it's important because it's less about helping someone already infected and more about preventing the spread from going anywhere else. The questions aren't too invasive.
Where you been? How you feel? How do you feel today?
And there is no threat you will be reported to the authorities or immigration.
I know people are exhausted from disaster to disaster, and we've seen them move through them this year, but it is still something that we need to do.
Answering that call helps the health department and the community. Reporting in Linn County, Emma Jerome, KEZI 9 News.